So I either use this, I just tried these for the first time, the Cinemed or Cytomed, or the Swan Morton. And these are the disposable because I just do these at home. And I will use these in the spa as well. Or sometimes I'll use the stainless steel blade with the stainless steel handle with the removable blade. But honestly, I like these because they come individually packaged like that, okay? And I can use one, if I do this at home on myself, I will use one of these 2 to 3 times, depending on how dull it gets. So I have my blade, I have alcohol wipes. Oh, hold on, let me get that. I have my Curad alcohol wipes, and these are individual wipes. I use these for everything, clean my glasses, and I have my blade, okay? I wash my face is completely clean, there is nothing on it. In the spa, I will sometimes put something with a little bit of a slip to it, not like a hyaluronic acid, more something a little bit, maybe that has a little bit of an oil in it, or a squalane, something like that. But here at home, I'm just gonna do this dry. And I am way overdue for this, so there's a lot of peach fuzz and stray hairs. Oh, and I'll also have a pair of tweezers on hand. Okay, tweezers. These are Tweezermen. They are the only ones, honestly, that I will use. I've tried all the ones in Tweezermen. If you need tweezers, get Tweezermen. My blade, this is an old one. I'm gonna be opening a new one. And my alcohol swab. And I use this to clean the blade periodically. I don't put the alcohol on my face because I have a bad reaction to alcohol. It really, really, really dries my skin out, and then I will have flaky skin for several days. So, here we go. I got up really early. Okay, opening my blade, and it has a cover. You can see right there. There's a cover on it, so you don't cut yourself. These are sharp. And I'm going to open a alcohol wipe, so I just have it ready. And again, I will just periodically wipe my blade lines. Oh, got my magnifying mirror. So I use a magnifying mirror, okay? You want to pull your skin taut, like this, like this, like this, depending on your direction, okay? Then I will get up here, okay? And you hold your skin taut, and you're going to move in a motion. You're not going to go one long scrape or one long shave. You're going to go in a very quick, short motion like that, okay? And start with. You want to hold your blade at a little bit of an angle and keep the blade at the sharp part kind of don't go like that and cut yourself. Yeah. I can see fuzz come off. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the blade. Between the brows. Holding skin. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but like crazy amounts of skin. Just the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna skip the nose because I've had a lot of problems with the skin on my nose recently, so I'm skipping that. But normally you can do your nose, okay? So moving down to the side cheek area here. Take it from the side, pull my skin.